loves, bonjour, mabuhay, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the items that I have added on my Sézane collection. So if you're interested to know what those items are, just stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back. So like I've mentioned, I am going to be sharing with you guys the different items that I have added to my small Sézane collection. Just to let you know, I did some unboxings that I have put on my YouTube stories. So if you're interested to see how it looks like, I'm going to put the card just right there, as well as a link in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. And just to let you know, some of the items that I'm going to share with you have been purchased prior to the Black Friday, and then some of them during the Black Friday, or at that time at Sézane, I think it's their 10th holiday season. I am also going to share with you the experience of purchasing at the app during that period of time and what actually happens when I have received those items. And then at the end of the video, I am going to show you some mod shots of these different items on me, how it looks on me, and also the items that I have purchased on that I have mentioned on my previous Sézane video, because I saw different comments mentioning that you would have loved for me to show you how those items looks on my frame, on my figure. So I will going to add them also at the end of this video. So I hope you'll enjoy the video. I'll start off by sharing with you the two items that I have purchased before Black Friday. I actually did an unboxing of these two items that I have put on my stories, like I've mentioned at the beginning of the video. So if you're interested, I have put the link in the description down below. You can go and check it out. So without further ado, the two items that I have purchased are the Chlo Shirt and the Tomboy Shirt. They are shirts. So I'm going to start off with the Chlo Shirt. It is open because I have tried it. So this one, I got it in the size, let me have a look. Yeah, in the size 36. And I have opted for this one. I wasn't sure, to be honest. I wasn't sure about this material because this one is in cotton. I'm just going to double check. This one is in 100% cotton, and the one that I have tried at the Sézane boutique in Lille, I think it was also in cotton, but the one with the golden hearts. When I tried those, I tried it in a size 34 and a size 36. The 34 was nice, but it was too tight, and then the 36 was like, nah. So I was like, no, it's not for me. Maybe it's the design. So I didn't pick that up. But when I saw this online, I was like, you know what? Let's try. We'll see. I haven't tried it. We'll see if it's nice. And when it arrived and I tried it, it was like, oh, this was made for me. I think it's very versatile, very classy, romantic because of the detailing in here. And then it's stripes. I love stripes, so it's easily wearable formally as well as casually. So yeah, and then since it's cotton, it's very easy to wear any time of the season. So yeah, this one is, I think, is a staple one to have in your wardrobe. So yeah, I got it in a 36, not too tight and not too loose, so perfect size for me. And then the second one that I got, the Tomboy Shirt, because remember when I mentioned the Max shirt on my previous video? I really wanted to have that one, but it has a defect on the textile, so I had to send it back. So when this one popped up and was available, I put it immediately in my cart because it has those blue, embroidered blue hearts, like I've mentioned, that reminds me of my little boy. So yeah, so when it popped up and was available, I immediately took it. And the Tomboy, I also got a size 36 because I wanted it to be more relaxed fit, because with the Tomboy, if I take the 34, it will be too tight, and I didn't want it to be too tight because I wanted to wear it either open or closed. And what's good with this is, even though it's denim style, it's very soft. And if I'm not mistaken, let me have a look. Oh, this one is 60% cotton, 20% lyocell, and 20% linen. So very spring and summery, but still wearable during winter. Just, you know, you have to layer it. Easily wearable as casual, of course, but can be wearable as a formal style too. So it depends on the trousers that I'll be wearing. It will change a lot. So yeah, so I got it. Very happy to be able to score one, and nice finishing. So yeah, so those were the two items that I got prior to Black Friday. I'm going to show you at the end of the video some mod shots of how it looks like on me. So stay tuned at the end of the video. So now I'm going to share with you the two items that I have purchased during Black Friday, or in this case at Sézane, it was their 10th holiday season. It was last Sunday, the 26th of November. So before showing you these two items, I'm just going to make a quick recap of the different things about that specific date. First and foremost, when you order something at that day or that date, you will actually receive, with a minimum spend of 50 euros, you will receive a jewelry wrap per person and per order. And there were no minimum spend for a free delivery. So in my case, I actually ordered two items on two separate parcels, because the first one, when I have ordered it, I quickly confirmed the cart to be sure that I have the item, because this item launched that day and the stock was not a lot. So just to be sure that I have the item, I immediately confirmed it. And then once I have updated the app, I saw that one of my wish list item has been restocked. So when I saw it, I put that on my cart and made the second order. So in my case, I actually had two orders with over the minimum spend of 50 euros. So normally I should have received at least two jewelry wrap and also no delivery fees. So it indeed arrived within the week after I ordered. One of them arrived on Thursday and the other one on Friday, directly at my front door, which I prefer. And each of them, when they arrived, in comparison to the other online Sézane order that I did before, they didn't arrive in those, you know, white box that I have shown you on my previous video. I'm going to put a photo on the side here so you can see what box I'm talking about. I actually received them in a paper bag. Each of them separately. The first one arrived in a paper bag, and then the other one arrived in a paper bag as well. So I was quite surprised. Maybe it's because it's just one item, so that's why it was in a paper bag and not on that white box. But I was like, okay, no problem. But when I have opened both of them on those two separate days, I was quite surprised because neither in those two paper bags has the surprise gift, which was the jewelry wrap. And I was quite bummed because first and foremost, I have ordered both of them. The first one is before around 9:25 a.m., even the start of the launch of the 10th holiday season. And the second one, I think I've ordered it around 9:45 a.m. So I was quite sure that I will be able to have at least, if not two, at least one jewelry wrap if they check that both of the order is just for one profile. And at that time, I don't think that there aren't any more stocks, So I was quite bummed because, yeah, it seems like it's a marketing lie. But yeah, so I was quite devastated. No, not devastated, but I wasn't really happy with that. So just to let you know, I have informed Sézane through Instagram, through WhatsApp, and through email, their application. So I have contacted them on 3 different sites. And I was impressed enough that on those 3 different platforms, they have answered me professionally. They mentioned that they were sorry that the surprise gift wasn't in the bag. And to excuse them with the situation, they have offered me a gift voucher, which is valid for 1 year, that I can use on online purchase as well as in the boutique. It's good enough, no minimum spend as well during this time, so if I want to use it, I can use it. So those were the experiences that I got during ordering and when I have received the items. But all in all, everything went well because I have received a reply from Sézane with what happened in this situation. So now that experience has been shared, and now I'm going to share with you the 2 items that I have purchased. So the first item that I have purchased that I really wanted, because it was launched at that date as well, is the Hollie Jumper. So this jumper, at first I was like, I'm not really a very colorful person with my clothes, but when I saw this on their website, I was like, that is very nice, especially during this festive season, especially with those golden details. I was like, I have to have it. So I got it size small, to be honest, like my Betty cardigan, because I wanted it to be more on a relaxed style, and I wanted the size small because I can wear it casually on the jeans, but I can also wear it formally with trousers, black trousers and such. So yeah, it could be very versatile by picking a size small. I could have picked extra small, but I was just a bit afraid that maybe it will be too tight. So yeah, so that's why I picked up the size small. So this was the first item that I have purchased. And then the second item that I have purchased, which was, like I've mentioned, I have updated the app and this item was restocked and it was on my wish list, is none other than the Max shirt, and yet again in the blue embroidered hearts. So I also got it in a size 34, like the last time that I have shown you. But yet again, I will have to send this back. I don't know, it's the second Max shirt with the blue embroidered hearts that I have to send back. And I'm really bummed. I think if this one comes up again available online, I have to order 2 size 34, because like last time, as you can see, I haven't even unbuttoned it yet, because just by looking at it, I was like, I looked it up here at first where the damage was the last time, and I was like, oh, there are no default. But when I look a little bit in here, you see that? Same thing. And also down here, somewhere down here, there. You see those lines, those streaks? Olé, come on. For its price tag, 100 euros, and the material, come on. So yeah, I think I'm not yet ready to have a Max shirt, at least in this version. Luckily for me, I have been able to have the Tomboy one, as you have seen. But yeah, so unfortunately, this one has to go back. Although I'm going to show it to you later on mod shot. At least you can see how it looks on me. But yeah, this one has to go back, unfortunately. So yeah. So those were the items that I have purchased during the Black Friday, or at Sézane, like I've mentioned, during their 10th holiday season. So there you go, guys. Those were the items that I have recently added to my small Sézane collection. If you have any questions about the specific item or during the month shots, please feel free to put them in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer you. If this video has been informative and you have enjoyed watching it, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, as it will really help the algorithms of my channel. And if you're enjoying the contents of my channel but aren't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That's way you won't miss any of my future videos. So up until then, I'll see you on the next video and take care. Bye!
Música